So this whiteboard ad, we spent about $2 million on this in 30 days, and you can see it got about 14 million views on YouTube. And I shot this in my basement. So the first step is the attention stopper. And then you go into your struggle and what has changed after you received this service or product. And then you go into these main benefits. And then finally a call to action.
Stop! Big banks are lying to you. They don't want you to know that you can now get a PPP loan in as little as 60 seconds. I'm gonna teach you how you can do it in this quick 2-minute video.
So you can see like it was the initial stop, big banks are lying to you. So we tested out that. I also tested out stuff saying like, no way, I can't believe this happened to me. But within those first 2-3 seconds, you need to do something that's out of the ordinary and just to immediately get your audience's attention.